Hello friends, you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. I'm back. I'm back to House of Sid YouTube channel, and I am so happy to be back. It's been many 7-8 months I think now since I last made a video, and I know I posted a video a few months ago letting you know why I wasn't making videos, and I'm not going to go into all the details of that because like I said in that video, there was some stuff going on with Mr. Cafecito and myself that was really not good. But things have turned around, things have gotten better. It is springtime. The weather, thankfully, is changing here. We've had a lot of rain in Southern California, which is not normal for us. So we're happy to be done with the rain and, ready for springtime. So today's video, let's get right into it. I missed you guys. I hope you guys are happy that I'm back. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to our channel. My name is Veronica, and I make videos about coffee, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and everything about the wonderful world of coffee. So let's get started. I have my iced coffee here. Today, I'm not in the kitchen, as you can tell. I am here at my desk. I'm not quite ready to, I am ready, but I'm working on some things on making review videos of making the coffee, tasting it, and letting you guys know about what we love most, cafecito. But today I just wanted to come to you with some new things happening in the wonderful world of Nespresso, which we all love so much. There's a lot of new stuff going on. Although I haven't been making videos, I've been watching other people's videos. I've been keeping up with Nespresso on Instagram, Facebook, just keeping up with the new things coming up. So today we're going to talk about Nespresso news. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, like 3 major things to talk about. So I hope you guys are ready. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with Nespresso is introducing a lot of new capsules this year, 2023. Some of them I think are going to be good. Some of them I'm not sure. That always happens. A brand has something that we love, and then they discontinue it. They change the formula, so on and so forth. And sometimes it's for good. Sometimes no, just keep it as is, keep it what we like. But there's new coffees coming. And when I was doing my notes, it was coming soon in the springtime. And this was about a week or 2 ago that I was doing the research, and now it is available. So I have my little notes here. I have my iPad. Yes, new coffee for spring, new Reimagine Barista Creations, and I will put pictures of everything here. So Nespresso is introducing 4 new, actually like 5 new Barista Creation coffees. So they are getting rid of the Hazelino muffin, and that is going to now be called roasted hazelnut, which by the way, I never tasted the Hazelino muffin. So I guess I'll have to try the new roasted hazelnut. Chocolate fudge will now be called rich chocolate. That one I did try, and I do have a video. I'll link everything below of the videos I have made. Vanilla custard pie, which was not my favorite at all, so I'm not sad about that one leaving, will now be called sweet vanilla. Caramel cookie, which I haven't tried either, is now going to be called golden caramel. And as of this week, today is Friday. I'm recording this Friday, March 24th. They're already available on here. So I see sweet vanilla, which is creamy and sweet, and it is a coffee size, 7.77 ounces. And it is $1.25 a capsule or $12.50 for a box of 10. Golden caramel, which we said is a substitute for caramel cookie. creamy and biscuity, and that one is also available. 7.7 ounces, 125 a capsule, 12.50. Rich chocolate is also available on the website. Creamy and chocolatey. Same price, 12.50 for the box. And the only one I'm not seeing, and this is the US website, is the roasted hazelnut. So let me know if you guys have already ordered some of these. You've already tried them. I will be trying to get my hands on them and reviewing them for you coming soon. But yeah, those are the new flavors. So, you know, something to look forward to, and another new one that I'm actually very, very curious about. So I will probably be testing this one out. Is called Whiskey Essence. Whiskey Essence. I'm not really a big drinker, but you know, why not? We could try it out. So Whiskey Essence, this one will be $1.30 per capsule, $13 for the box. Oh, and this is a double espresso. This is not a coffee. So it is intense alcohol and liquor notes reminiscent of whiskey outlined by bitter acidity and fruit notes. Very, very interesting. So like I said, if you guys have already tried these, let me know. Let me know if I should try them. Is it going to be worth my time to buy them and review them? Yeah, I need to know. So that is new, now available. Oh, yes. Another exciting thing is that the extra large capsules are back. You know, the Altos are back. Extra XL coffees, capsules XL coffees are back. I know a lot of people were kind of disappointed and sad that they took away the Alto sizes, but XL capsules designed to brew exclusively with Vertuo Machines. So let me repeat that. The extra large capsules sadly are only able to be brewed with the Next machine. So if you have a Vertuo Plus like I do, or any of the other Vertuo machines, you're not going to be able to use these. You need a Next machine. But just to let you know, for those of you that do have the Next, they have brought back two 12-ounce capsules. One of them is called Alto Onis. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but like I said, I'm going to put pictures of everything. It's roasted and woody. And this one will be $1.50 per capsule and $10.50 for the sleeve. But I'm noticing that these will only have seven capsules per sleeve. I believe the other ones had 10, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on there, Nespresso. And the other one is called Alto Ambarato. Honeyed and delicate, a 12-ounce as well, $1.50 per capsule, $10.50 for a sleeve. The Alto Ambarato is intensity level 4, and the Alto Onis, I don't know, guys. That one is going to be an intensity 7. And they also have 2 new pour over styles, which they had before. But now they have the pour over style in mild. So you get a mild coffee, toasted cereal, and malt. And that makes that'll make an 18-ounce coffee, and you need to use the carafe, which I don't have, but I did gift my brother and my niece. So I might have to go over to their place and, you know, test it out for you guys. Let me know if you'd like to see that in the comments. And then the regular pour over style, which was roasted and smoky. Same price, $1.65 per capsule, $11.55 for a box of 7. So those are the new things that are, you know, coming up. And then, oh, and also another new thing is there is a rumor, as you know, that Nespresso in the summer usually will introduce a iced coffee capsule over ice. And there is a rumor allegedly, and a lot of this information I've gotten from either Instagram or the Facebook group. So, and I could link you guys to the Facebook group because there's a people from all over the world that are Nespresso lovers. So they kind of get information before we do. Europe always gets everything before we do. Canada, some Asian countries, and then us in North America are last. So the rumor is that for summer, the new summer flavor is going to be juicy watermelon over ice. It's not confirmed. Somebody in the group shared like a screenshot of it. It looks like it might be legit. It looks like it might be legit. I don't know. You guys let me know. If you are in another country and have already heard about the summer flavor, please let me know. Send me a message, leave me a comment, or if you follow me on Instagram, you can send me a message over there. House of Sid, Instagram, I'm always there. So yeah, that sounds pretty interesting. Last year's Limina lemon lime one was actually not bad. I kind of did like it. It wasn't like, oh my God, I loved it, but it wasn't bad. Coconut one was okay. Not really my favorite, but I would definitely give it a try. Test it out for you guys. What else is coming up? Oh, this is another news. And this was actually shared last year. Paper compostable coffee pods. This was in the news in November 2022. Nespresso is going to introduce, like I said, I'll put pictures, compostable pods for the original line. It says, you guys, I went out and I got an eye exam and I need really need reading glasses now. So let me put them on. Paper-based compostable capsules of Nespresso coffee let's see. Nespresso coffee business is launching paper-based compostable capsules to attract. Nespresso coffee business is launching paper-based compostable capsules to attract customers put out by the Swiss packaged food giants metal ones, which despite being recyclable often end up in the landfills. So yeah, I guess a lot of people don't want to recycle or can't recycle. I don't know, maybe they're lazy, I don't know. But yeah, they're recyclable because they are made of aluminum. And in some cities like New York City, I know you could just throw them in with your recycling bin and they take them. Other places, you know, other cities, other states, you have to put them in the recycle bag and either take them to the Nespresso store or ship them off. I tend to ship them off via UPS. I always get the bag with the label. Even if sometimes I do take them to the store, you know, it's just best to have the label because you just never know. So there is no mention of when they'll be coming. And of course, they're going to be probably introduced in Europe or other countries first, and then we'll get them. And it says the objective is not to replace all of the aluminum pods with paper, but to give consumer more choices. So, you know, it's good to have a choice. If you're not able to recycle, then, you know, they'll just be thrown away, but they'll decompose in the landfill. So that's something interesting to look forward to. And the other news I have to share with you guys, which I think is probably my favorite and most exciting, is this year Nespresso will introduce, no, I think they already have, 2 new machines. Yes, we are getting 2 new Vertuo machines. One of them is called the Pop, which is currently only available in Europe, I believe. I did see someone saying that it's coming soon, like real soon, to the Canada website. So I've noticed too, from the past years of owning Nespresso, Europe gets everything first and then it trickles down to Canada, and then soon after Canada gets something, we get it here in the US. So that is something to look forward to. It is called Vertuo Pop, and it's actually like a mini version of the Vertuo Next machine. And like I said, I'm going to put pictures of everything. So it's a compact, smaller version to fit, you know, some people don't have a big space or a lot of room, and they come in a lot of beautiful colors. Innovative brewing reads individual pods to brew your desired cup. Connectivity paired with your mobile for seamless updates such as descaling alerts. Oh, okay, that's good. One touch brewing, simple and convenient, one button brewing. So like I said, this is just a next machine. Is just smaller, cute colors, you know, pop of color, of vibrant colors, and you're able to choose from 4 different sizes. I think it's going to be 5. So espresso, double espresso, coffee, oh, and the alto. So if you want to do the alto cups and the carafe, wait, I don't know if the carafe will fit here. For sure the alto. But yeah, it's coming. It's already out in Europe and some other countries. I think the UK has it as well. We do not have it yet, but I did ask Nespresso on their YouTube channel, and they said they don't have a date, but it will eventually hit the US. And that's good to know. One thing we do already have is the Virtual Creatista. That's a mouthful. Basically, it's like the original Creatista, but in a virtual version. And it's a beautiful, you guys. It's like fully chromed. It is now available here in the US, which is, you know, good. It is made by Breville. And like I said, it's all chrome, and it has a built-in frother wand. So no more Aerochino. It comes with a wand. I'll post pictures. It is very beautiful and very expensive. So basically, it says collaboration between the coffee experts of Nespresso and engineering experts of Breville. Virtual Creatista elevates your milk texturing game with a range of cafe quality drinks crafted just the way you like them. With a wide range of options to make different sizes, integrated steam wand lets you froth milk and personalize your recipes and try your hand at latte art. So it says, ooh, 3 different temperature and textures, nice, for coffee and milk crafted to your own taste. It brews 6 sizes. Oh, this one is going to brew espresso, double espresso, grand lungo, mug, alto, and carafe. Ooh, and like I said, it is beautiful. The only thing is it is expensive. Currently, it's available at Williams Sonoma for $749.95. Yeah, $700, $749. It's available at Crate and Barrel, Bloomingdale's, and I believe Nina Marcus might, Sur La Table. So certain stores already have it. Yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know if anyone has bought it yet. Are you interested in it? Let me know, guys. Let's chat in the comments. Let me know what you think about the new flavors that are being released. Let me know about the new sizes. What do you think? Have you already tried them? What do you think of the compostable capsules that should be coming soon? I'm all about, you know, trying to help the environment, so I think that's a great idea. And the new machines. I would love to get my hands on either the Pop, which I know is more affordable, but not available yet, and the Creatista. So yeah, let's get the views up on this channel. Let's get our you know, monetization AdSense up, which I haven't, you know, since I haven't been making videos, I haven't been getting paid, you know, which makes sense. But yeah, I would love to be able to buy that machine and test it out and show you guys, you know, before you make that investment, because $750 is a lot of money, but it is beautiful. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, say hi, let me know what's going on. I missed you guys. I'm so happy to be back. So please look forward to Weekly videos. Yeah, I'm going to try and make weekly videos. And, let's get back to our cafecito time. Hope everyone is doing wonderful, and we'll see you next time. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.